All right, so this is a parabola, and it opens down. So the leading coefficient a will be negative. Now what can we plug in so far? We know y equals a, x minus 1 plus 1. That's the vertex. Vertex is 1, 1. The y value is always whatever the y value is here, and it's the opposite sign here. And what we need to find is the value a. Well, they gave us this order pair 4, -2. So plug in a -2 for y and 4 for x, I forgot the square, plus 1, and solve for a. So I've got -2 equals a. 4 minus 1 is 3, squared is 9, plus 1. Subtract 1 from both sides, that's -3 equals 9a. So that's going to be -3 over 9, or -1/3 equals a. So my formula, or my equation representing this parabola, is y equal -1/3 x minus 1 squared plus 1. So that is part D. And then E says write the equation in this form. Y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. So we're going to get rid of our parentheses. So go back to this equation, and the first thing I want to do is multiply both sides by 3 to clear my fractions. So it's going to give me 3y on the left, and then these 3's will cancel, so that leaves me a -1 x minus 1 squared plus 3, because you got to multiply that 1 by 3. So that's 3y equals -1. Square this, x minus 1 times x minus 1, and that gives me x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus 3. So that's 3y equals -x squared. I'm distributing that -1 plus 2x minus 1 plus 3. That's 3y equals, basically what we're trying to do is just solve for y. This is -x squared plus 2x plus 2. So now divide through by 3, and that gives me y equals -1/3 x squared plus 2/3 x plus 2/3. That's it.